We shooting videos and keep a clip that comes extended. You go viral if you try me, this like nothing influential. Bullet spread like influenza. Yeah, yo, what's the profile? Live like a low life to get this cake. Oh wow, she wanna go down, see how it tastes. I got no time, I'm rapping to get away. I need a show now, it's back to F sending that 20k. They let go style, ooh ooh, it's back to getting paid. Smoke a whole pound, you package on the way. Tell her slow down, I put her in her place. Only fact she's setting diamonds on the face, on the face. What's the profile? Yeah, they let go style.
Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to Gravity Show. So I'm not sure if you remember, since the last time we went, which was last year, it was in 2024, we had a taste of what the event was all about. This time we're going there and we're hopefully going to see a lot more different things. So we're going to expect different things, different vehicles, maybe different atmosphere as well. And hopefully I can try and meet Matt Armstrong as well, because when I went there last time, he wasn't there. Maybe it was because I went on the wrong day, but I checked on the timetables today and it said he was going to be there. So hopefully he will be there. But as you can see, we're currently on the way to NEC, which is in Birmingham. So that's where the event is held. And we'll see how that goes. I believe from what I've seen throughout the whole journey on the sat-nav, there might be a bit of traffic due to a lot of people going there at the same time. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we'll see you there. So now we found a space at the event. I mean, there's a lot of spaces over here. From what I can see from the car park, there's a lot of nice cars around it. The car lovers like me, they bring a lot of their cars out. So from what I can see, it looks really nice. You've got the Golfs, Mercedes, you even see the rare cars as well. It's quite nice. Then you have electric cars. That is what I call drifting, beautifully executed. Yeah, as you can see, there was a lot of people in this queue. It was just a ridiculous amount, from the beginning of the queue right towards the end of the queue. Wow, like this year's Gravity was absolutely packed. Like when I say packed, I mean just look at the queue, look at it. Like what?
This is way too much since the last time. Look at that, how many people are here? It's crazy.
We waited that long just to get a wristband. It took us so long just to get this.
And there we are, finally at the gates of Gravity after 2 hours of wait. Like really, come on. And as you can see, look how packed it is. Like I think this is more packed than the last year's Gravity show that we attended to. This one is absolutely insane. Yeah, like the amount of people that I've just seen across was wow in my head, essentially. This is just an example of how loud the music is.
That's a Japanese car in a box. I don't know if you can hear me, but the music is just too damn loud.
So the car that you see that's being packed up in the box is a drifting car. I believe it's one of the famous Nissan drifting cars amongst all different types of drifting cars. But I like the way they organized and packed it up in the box. It almost reminds you of those small little cars that you receive in those boxes. That's pretty cool and interesting. Now this one is a car that was covered. I had no clue what car this was. I haven't even seen the brand before. As you're about to see, I'm about to point out to the logo. Just have a look at this.
Ah, there's a hint right there. Is that logo?
Yeah, I have no clue what this logo is, but from the curves that I can see from underneath the shade, it does look quite interesting. here we have a monstrosity beast. I mean, just look at this. This thing looks insane, and it's in immaculate condition. So it's all nice and sparkly, shining, showroom condition type. Just look how low the car can go as well. This thing is an absolute beast. Nissan Skyline GTR as well. Oof. And here we have a BMW, and it's a classic BMW. Believe it or not, it's towing another classic BMW. What are the odds of that? And it's in the same color as well. One is an estate and the other one is a saloon, but they're both beautiful. Now moving on to the big boys. This is the big boy toys. This is where things get serious on this channel. There's no messing about when it comes to supercars, especially Lamborghini Aventadors. Just look at this thing. It's been kitted out to the max. And just so they want to make you aware what's coming towards you, they made sure it's in a bright orange color. Like as if that wasn't loud enough for you. The color is also loud on this car. Inside and outside, everywhere orange. There's not enough orange to go in this car. This is a beautiful orange Lamborghini Aventador. Now here we got another Lamborghini, but this one is the Huracan, and it's a special one because it's designed and custom by Gravity themselves, and they actually put it up for competition, to which I did enter, however did not become the lucky winner, unfortunately.
You see that white width-wise, it's very huge. I think this is for like mainly like supercars. So you put them on supercars, you don't put on normal standard cars. Something like that, basically. So those wheels are for this type of cars. I believe this one is the Corvette.
This Corvette was kitted out to the max. Like, it was insane to seeing this in reality. And it was a really good combination of what they've done. I believe they got this influence from a racing game, because I did see one of the logos that they put on. It was from a racing game, so you're about to see that in a few seconds. So this interior, black and grey, goes really well with the white. It's a very sporty looking colour, doesn't distract your eyes too much as well, where you see other cars with a lot of bright red inside. So this is really good combination. A lot of these car shows, they really love to put the cars really down to the bottom, like literally, it's just literally touching the floor. So this is the game that they got the influence from CSR2. So I believe they got the customization and the idea from the game itself. So that's really cool to see that they implemented it into reality. Very awesome. Now here we got the Audi R8, and it's actually got the wheels that we were looking at before. So if you remember from my previous videos, we actually was gonna buy exact same alloys as this, however they did not fit my car, so I'm gonna explain that in a few seconds.
We were about to go for these exact same wheels. I'm not sure if you remember, since the last time I spoke about wheels, it was these specific ones. They were the exact same ones in matte ones as well, but they didn't fit the A-Class, so we had no choice to abandon the idea. But these are really good. I mean, it suits the car really nicely, but it wouldn't fit on an A-Class, so that's why we went for the other one. I'm pretty happy with the results. But these look good as well. It suits the car nicely as well. Yeah. So it's matte grey. This is giving me an idea, you know, for the center, because they've done red on that. It looks quite nice with the red, with the bronze. So I might do that on the A-Class as well. I put the edge red. That's actually giving me a good idea. We'll use that. I made it all nice and fancy. Come over here, look. That's a rare car as well. You're not going to find that in the UK. So you can see it's got a Japanese plate on it as well. Even they went for the matte bronze. You can see they went for the matte bronze as well. I think that colour slowly starting to come in now as well.
The colour combination that they've done in this car is really well done.
I like the wheels as well. The wheels make a big difference.
As you can imagine, it is packed wherever you go, so don't be surprised when you see a lot of people in this video. And I like the way they brought a lot of the Japanese culture into the car mix as well. So as you can see, they brought out a statue which resembles a strong meaning behind Japanese culture, and a lot of these decoration, it looks really well done as well, with a lot of figures on top of that. Now here we had a few discussion about this BMW, especially with the rear end. Have a look.
What, with the yellow? With this? Nah.
Back, I like the back.
Back is fine, but so you see all these examples? These are from Maxton Design. This is my goal. My goal is to create something like this. Brand out there as well. And the thing is, I was trying to look for these on the A-Class. This specific part, it's very hard to find. Guess how much these are coming up to? I believe, from what I've known, maybe I could be wrong, but I put on the screen. It's like £60 each, just for that.
Not bad.
Not bad, it's expensive.
And that is the goal we are working towards. Hopefully we'll be able to get all of this sorted on the A-Class to make it a one-off one, which is my own design, my own ideas and my own creation, the Luxella edition. Get ready for some good history lesson.
It looks like a candy car.
It is a classic.
It's a candy car.
Candy.
Like just sweets.
Oh no,
It's got like different colours and different combinations.
yeah.
What is it based on? It's like a rally car, racing car.
This is a close copy of AMG 1, the very first AMG car.
Oh, nice. So you kept it, I believe you kept it as a collection car, isn't it? So you
Oh, it is a collector's.
it's kept in very pristine condition.
I built it over 2.5 years.
Built, like when you built it.
Finished it last October.
Okay. What was the condition like when it came?
It was from Durban, South Africa.
Durban.
Yeah, and it was black with rust on every panel. And a tan leather interior. It was shipped over.
Yeah.
I got a 5.6 V8 engine.
Oh, wow.
In there. It's a 1988 engine.
That's good.
The original race car had the M100 engine out of the 600 Grosser, like the Pokemobile, the Idi Amin, huge diplomatic thing. AMG, they overboard the engine from 6.3 to 6.8.
I heard about that as well, yeah.
They got 427 horsepower, but it only do 6 to the gallon. So
That's bad.
They weren't in the pits 3 times more than everybody else.
Wow.
That they'd have probably won the race. But as it was, after 24 hours, we came second. Which was a very good result for something that 2 lads had built it in a garage.
Yeah.
They were up against the factory teams, Opel, Ford, BMW, even Chevrolet, who weren't too keen on how well they did. So somebody says, right, we're going to outlaw the engine size for next year.
Yeah.
And so they had this one great show that was second place. AMG wanted to move on, they wanted to do more racing.
Yeah.
So they sold the car to a company called Matra Aerospatiale.
Never heard of that.
Okay, it's Matra Aerospace in France. It spent the rest of its life running up and down rural runways, French runways, with a hole cut in the middle of the back floor.
Wow.
Slamming aircraft landing gear down into the tarmac to test the stress of weight loads.
Yeah.
They tested it to near destruction, and then that's when it becomes a myth. Around 1976, they felt that it was too far gone and it disappeared off the face of the earth. AMG wanted to celebrate in 2006 the 25th anniversary. They sent out car detectives and their own people to try and investigate. Even if they could find a single wheel nut that could claim to have something original, they couldn't find anything. And so they built a replica to honour that race win at the beginning of AMG,
So that was this.
and it looked just like this.
Yeah.
And they thought that they put it on static display. The demand was so great that they had to have one for static display. The other one to run around the track. The one that they've got that runs around the tracks that people keep requesting for, travels around the world with the F1 team to show the origin of the species from the very first. It's what they do with their replicas today.
Yeah.
There are about 15 or so replicas of this car around the world. One that I've built to the 15 or so original photographs of the original car from the original race.
Damn.
And rather than copy a copy, I've tried to work.
And everything was done by yourself, or you had like a team as well?
I've got a good engineer, a good paintwork guy. Tackled a lot of the flair of the bodywork, fine and nothing.
I came out last year, so I didn't see this last year.
It was here.
I didn't see it.
But it kind of tucked away over in the corner.
Ah, that's why. Could be.
It
Could be, yeah. Now you're like in the centre.
Well, this year they came in, and when we turned up at the door and said, we've got a good place here.
That's good, because I definitely didn't see this last year. So I was a bit surprised. I was like, you mentioned it last year, I didn't see it. So now it's in the middle, I've seen it. So that's why I came to you. But yeah, thank you so much for the lesson. Really, really good. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I hope to see you soon next year again.
Yeah, oh, you will.
So that was like a nice little lesson. So he built the car. He built the car since 2 years ago. And since then, he's been getting invited to a lot of events. I can see that effort has pulled off quite a lot. That car is in immaculate condition. So fair play to him. Big shout out to him as well.
This love and loyalty I feel, yeah, never switch up, that's real, yeah, money comes slow but we build, yeah, luck sell our dreams, that's the deal, yeah, isn't just talk, they living proof, family in the crib, yeah, we bulletproof, money ain't love but it helps get through, luck sell our dreams, that's what I do, yeah.